everybody, and welcome to the free class called 15 Ways to Promote Your Personal Brand. And incidentally, you can also use some of these promotional tactics or strategies to promote your product, service, your business, or website. All right. And anything in between. You might have some events you want to promote ahead of time. You could use some of these strategies and some of these ways to promote your events as well. All right. Now we're going to talk about creating your calendar. All right. And so with that being said, let me go here to presentation, because you can also, again, like I said, all three of these, you can use Canva, or like I said, whatever you use is cool. If you use Photoshop or any other alternatives outside of Canva and Photoshop, you'll go ahead and use that. But like I said, again, my choice is Canva. I do Canva for all my designing, whether it's my social media posts. Again, I'm creating my ebooks and physical books. When I create my courses, I actually use these templates as well, or design my own templates. All right. So we're talking about promoting your personal brand. And there is a particular template in here that you can use that is actually in a calendar. So let me scroll down and see if I can find it real quick as we go along here. All right. It's here somewhere. I know it's there. Hopefully I don't think I passed it. So just one. There we go. So here we go right here. All right. Here's the calendar template. Now, again, like I said, you can use what they offer for you for free, or you can just go in here and create your own little design. But for time reasons, I'm going to click on that particular template real quick. And then it gives you for all 12 months, they're all similar design, just change the colors a little bit. But I'm going to go ahead and click the January, right? And just show you something real fast once it loads up here. There we go. And it starts to focus in and get focused instead of having that blurry look. There we go. And so what you can do is I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to get rid of this group, right? Delete that group. And then what I can do is put my own. We can go back to the logo. You can put your logo on the calendar, so you can combine these things. All right. You can combine it. You can create your logo, because that was the first one. And then you can create your calendar and put your logo on the calendar. All right. So being that I'm talking about the 15 ways to promote your personal brand, why not put that right there? All right. Let me get it there. Getting real stubborn on me. There we go. So there you go, right there. All right. So as you see, that's a little cool way to promote your personal brand. All right. So far we got create a logo, create a personalized t-shirt, and I showed you some websites there, and create a calendar. Those are three different ways that you can promote your personal brand or promote your business, because on this calendar you can put your business logo there, some quick business information, right? You can do that. So those are three ways in this particular video that you can promote your personal brand. All right.